That little light just came on your Toyota RAV4 dashboard, and now you're staring at it, wondering, is this serious? Should I pull over right now? Or can I make it home? The wrong answer to that question could cost you thousands of dollars in engine damage. So before you make that call, watch this video first. Welcome to Motor Mav. In this video, we will go through every important warning light on your Toyota RAV4 dashboard, tell you exactly what each symbol means, and what you should do the moment you see it. Let's start. Number one, the check engine light. This is the small engine outline symbol, and it can appear in yellow or red. If it is steady yellow, there is a non-emergency fault somewhere in your engine or emission system. It could be something as simple as a loose gas cap or a faulty oxygen sensor. Drive to a mechanic soon, but do not panic. However, if this light is flashing or if it turns red, stop driving as soon as it is safe to do so. A flashing check engine light means active engine misfiring, and continuing to drive can destroy your catalytic converter. Steady yellow. Schedule a visit. Flashing or red. Pull over immediately. Number two, the oil pressure warning light. This symbol looks like a small oil can with a drop coming from the spout. This is one of the most serious warning lights on your RAV4. If this comes on while you are driving, it means your engine is not getting enough oil pressure to stay protected. Pull over safely and shut the engine off. Do not keep driving. Low oil pressure can destroy engine components within minutes. Check your oil level. If it is low, add oil before restarting. If the oil level looks fine and the light stays on, call a mechanic. Do not risk it. Number three, the battery warning light. This looks like a rectangle with a plus sign on one end and a minus sign on the other. When this light comes on, your vehicle's charging system has a problem. Basically, your battery is draining and is not being recharged while you drive. This is usually a failing alternator, a loose battery cable, or a worn drive belt. When you see this light, drive directly to a mechanic. Do not make any unnecessary stops. Turn off your air conditioning, your heated seats, and any other electrical features to preserve what battery you have left. Number four, the tire pressure warning light. This symbol looks like a flat tire with an exclamation mark inside it. On the Toyota RAV4, this light turns on when one or more tires drop below the recommended pressure level. Most RAV4 models run best between 33 and 36 pounds per square inches. Stop at the nearest gas station and check all four tires. Do not ignore this one. Driving on underinflated tires reduces your fuel economy, wears your tires unevenly, and in worst cases leads to a blowout at high speed. Number five, the engine temperature warning light. This is the thermometer sitting in water symbol, and when it turns red, you stop. Your engine is overheating. Pull over immediately, turn off the engine, and do not open the hood or touch the coolant cap until the engine has cooled for at least 30 minutes. Overheating warps cylinder heads, blows head gaskets, and causes catastrophic engine damage. After it cools, check your coolant level and look for any visible leaks under the car. Number six, the brake system warning light. This is a red circle with an exclamation mark or the letter P inside. If this light comes on and your parking brake is fully released, you have a brake system fault. This could be low brake fluid, severely worn brake pads, or a hydraulic system problem. Your brakes are the single most important safety system in your vehicle. Do not delay on this one. Have them inspected immediately. Number seven, the ABS warning light. ABS stands for anti-lock braking system, and this light shows the letters ABS inside a circle. When this light comes on, your regular brakes still work normally, but you lose the anti-lock function. That means in a hard emergency stop, your wheels can lock up and you lose steering control. Drive carefully, avoid hard braking, especially on wet roads, and get this checked by a mechanic as soon as you can. Number 8, the electronic power steering warning light. This symbol is a steering wheel with an exclamation mark next to it. When it comes on, the electric power steering system has a fault. You will notice the steering feels significantly heavier than usual. You can still drive and steer the car. It just takes more physical effort. Keep your speed low, avoid sharp maneuvers, and take it to a service center. Do not leave this one too long. Number 9, the VSC and traction control warning light. VSC stands for Vehicle Stability Control. And this symbol shows a car with wavy lines underneath it. If this flashes briefly while you are accelerating on a wet or slippery surface, that is completely normal. The system is doing its job and correcting wheel slip. But if this light stays on permanently, especially on dry roads, it means the stability control system has a fault. Get it inspected, particularly before driving in rain or snow. Number 10, the pre-collision system warning light. This shows two cars facing each other with an exclamation mark between them. Your Toyota RAV4 comes with Toyota Safety Sense, which includes automatic emergency braking. When this warning light comes on, that system has been turned off or has detected a fault. The most common reason is a dirty front camera sensor on your windshield. Clean the windshield thoroughly, especially the area behind the rearview mirror where the camera sits. If the light is still on after cleaning, take it to a Toyota dealer for a system inspection. And that is every important warning light you need to know on your Toyota RAV4. Here is the simple rule to remember. Red means stop driving immediately. Yellow means get it checked soon. Never ignore a red light. Never delay on a yellow one. Hope you got some ideas now. Visit our page, Motor Mav, to read this blog in detail. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.